What a deal. I love getting it. Makes me so happy to get a deal. Yay. Everyone, welcome to my channel. This happened. Yes, it did. But there's a caveat. There's a little twist to this unboxing. So, those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And I would love it if you would consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. I do things on luxury bags, travel, basically anything I'm really into at the moment. And those of you who are returning, I don't know if you noticed, but my hair is short now. Usually I've had my hair like tied up or braided in the back, and I just kind of got sick of it over the weekend and just chopped it off myself. And you could see it on my Instagram. You might have already seen it if you've been following me on my Instagram. And also you would have seen this unboxing, this item on my Instagram because I posted it as soon as I got it. I will insert now the unboxing. This is the invoice, and this is the original receipt. Ooh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so stinking cute. Wow. My sister and I decided to get my mom a present for 2020. It's been a really tough year I think it's a tough year for everybody, but particularly for the elderly. They're more isolated. We try not to have them be so isolated, but it's not the same. You know, we can't see them in the same way that we were able to before. And so this year's my mom's birthday and Mother's Day. We didn't really get to celebrate it big like we normally would want to. And my sister and I thought, what better gift than like a little fancy bag where she can carry her wallet and some of her diabetes equipments. So we went to Louis Vuitton store to order a trio messenger. And before that, we were trying to get it online and we couldn't. So we were able to order it, and I'll link that video below where we went shopping post-lockdown. And we thought we ordered it, and we were waiting and nothing was happening. And in the meantime, we had gone to our Hermes store to order, you know, get my bracelet and also to get my scarf replaced or repaired. And it's finally repaired, and after many months, they were able to get it back to me, and they didn't charge me anything, which I was really thrilled about. But so I've been kind of thinking about Evelyn TPM for my mother in case we couldn't get the Louis Vuitton Trio Messenger. So at our last visit with our SA, we ordered the Evelyn TPM. She said that it was going to come to her store and she will, you know, have it saved for my mom. So there are two bags that are coming. TPM Blue Nuit with a navy blue kind of really dark strap, and also I think a taupe. So those two are coming, and we were thinking that that's what we were going to get my mom. And then I saw in a Preloved site that this was available, and the price was so good that I couldn't resist. So I ordered it, and it was in almost a brand new shape. I mean, it was bought early this year in 2020, and it has no wear whatsoever. So I ordered it thinking if my mom likes this, then we don't have to, you know, purchase the one from Hermes. So we got this, and now I'm going to insert my mom opening it. Happy birthday, happy Mother's Day, everything.
제일 비싼 가방 회사예요. 세계에서. Hermes인데.
Hermes. 아이고.
Strap.
That's the strap. 이거는 extra. 이거는 원래 이거 다른 데서 사.
이거는 엑스트라야?
아니 strap.
Yeah, this is extra if you wanted to have it. So,
아이고야.
like that. Look at that.
Yeah.
See?
아이고 가볍고.
Super light.
어.
Do you like it?
응,
Mommy,
시원해.
mommy, we ordered two. One's this, another one is navy blue, dark,
아야
dark
됐어
blue.
됐어 그만.
No, no.
아니 벌써 오더 했어요.
So which color do you like? You like the red,
아니.
navy blue는
내 가방 저쪽에 있는
I like
거.
super super dark blue.
어 그거 좋아.
그거 더 좋아?
응.
빨간 거보다?
응.
오케이.
Okay,
응.
Great.
great, great.
이건 또 누가 가는데?
Mine.
불란서 회사예요.
불란서에서.
Yeah.
Okay, so she opened it. She loved how cute it was. We told her how fancy this bag is and that she can carry, and it was gonna fit everything that she normally carries. And she loved the fact that it's all one. Oh, there's a receipt here. It's all one opening rather than, different compartments. She said she would prefer something that's much more neutral. So, it's mine. I wasn't thinking about getting this for myself because I already have Evelyn PM, which I love, and it is kind of heavy, but it does fit a lot. So, and in fact, this is one of my go-to bags during these days because it's so easy to wear. But I have to say, over the last week or so since I've gotten this bag, I have absolutely loved it. It fits everything that I normally carry, and it's so light. And I'm gonna give you a modeling shot of both my PM and TPM. I mean, I really don't have duplicates. I mean, I guess it's not really a duplicate style of bags, but I feel like it's different enough. What do you guys think? Length is about 7, but at the very bottom, it's about 6. Depth is about 2 inches, and the height is about 7 inches. Okay, so I kind of filled up this purse, and I'm gonna show you what's currently in it. Large size iPhone. It's a case, but I thought that would show you that it can fit. And it actually fits like this. So it goes all the way. So it fits it without it poking out. This is my normal stuff that I normally carry. Mask. Zoe wallet. I always carry the same thing. And my clay with keys and my driver's license. And my headphone. This is everything that's in it. Wow, I could even put some more stuff in there if I wanted to. I cannot believe it. Now, when I use a bag organizer inside, it can't fit all the stuff. It's not protruding a lot. The back's okay. That's the thing about this Clemence leather. Anything that's sticking out, it will sort of show through. It might. Okay, there's a second unboxing, and it came with a box, the ribbon, and this is something that I thought I'd have to wait because this was at a local consignment shop. And I saw it, and the price was a little higher than I wanted to pay at the time. So I waited, and I thought I knew it was gonna go down in price again in a day or so. And I thought I would give them a call and see if they would give me the price, which would happen a couple days later. And they said they would. And so I got to buy this for an even greater sale price. And it is a beautiful Hermes scarf. It's so pretty. It's called La Danse du Cosmos by Hermes, and it's really in excellent shape. There is only one tiny little stain, but I figure either I can try to get it out or whatever. If it doesn't come out, it's not a big deal. It's right here. There you go. Okay, I think it's like a food stain. So I bought this for a grand total of, you ready for this? For $130, including tax. It is fantastic. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Woo. But that's it. I'm so excited. Look how pretty it looks. I think it looks really pretty on my skin tone. What a deal. I love getting it. Makes me so happy to get a deal. Yay. See? You think this goes? I don't think it goes. It's too busy. Anyway. Okay. So, I don't know if I said it before, but on the Evelyn TPM, I bought it again. It was pre-loved, although it's in excellent shape. I bought it from a Facebook group, and it was, I think I paid just under $1,500, and then I got it authenticated by Baba Baby, and it is authentic. So I'm super psyched about that. That's it. Okay. So if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notification, and share, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.